Good morning, everybody. We're here again. We're here again, packing up the rice hay. Back to work again. Wow, the sun really daily pop out very early. Okay, guys. So this is going to be our 8 loads. I'll be back, guys. Hi, guys. In just arrived today morning, and then they just stopped by here in Ondoy. And here she is she came from Cebu and processing her visa. So I was Australia. So good thing that they found me us here. So we'll be done here quick. Dili ay. Dili lagi. So the tricycles there. Sakay na diha. Ha? In bought some Dunkin' Donut.
Dali to. Nang tanan.
Ba. Gutom na ko da.
Dito. Ada na dito po.
Dagan mo kaayin.
Ha?
Dagan lagi ni.
Ay isa maguna ka dosina unya gi. Ay ko anong tununing nanapoy laing style. Ko ang tulo.
Abi amin na lang na.
Kung anong tulo niya ang
Si Ondoy nakakaw na?
Oo, ko ano ko. Ang isa unya na po diri na diri.
Present. Thank you.
Di naman diri ang uban unya na lang. Di makay ko ganan.
We will eat this one while we're driving the cab.
Napo man diri ni.
Lagi.
Ang isa ka
Mahalin.
499.
Wow, yummy.
Ilan ka din si?
Ayan na. I'm going to cross. Ay, wala. Bye, guys. We will go home now. Thank you so much for watching my video and Philip channel to Philippine Expat Garden and Farm. So, bye. See you later. Stay tuned. I'll be back later. God bless us all. Oh, yeah. Just buy some gas. And now we're back to the road again. Now the traffic start. Every time we pick up rice, say you buy gas?
Well, not usually. This carburetor seems like it's
guys here in Onondoy. This is Burgos. So Philip ran fast really. Oh, the sun. Different from yesterday, no sun. But few rain. All the kids, darling. That's your friends. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a little bit high. Oh God. You be careful. This is the school here. Elementary school in Burgos. This was the school where Shannon studied elementary. A little bit shaky. Wow, a traffic morning. That's the miracle tree. And we have miracle tree too in the house. It's not yet starting fruit, but it's growing. Very dry. This mango did not produce last year. That's Doro's wife. Anna. We're here now, guys. Just arrived from our home sweet home. And turn around here. Slowly. Okay. Let's Okay. You be careful there, Daily. Not much. Because it's so slippery. Hello, everybody. Hi. Hi, Little. How are you? Hi. Hi, Tutu. That's Tiny here. And that's Hey, Langga. Say hi to the kambing. Uy. Who are you? I don't know you. Oh, little Bing. Bagsi. Are you pregnant? Bagsi, are you pregnant? Wow. Bagsi, come on. Come on, I'm talking to you. Are you pregnant? That's Bagsi. And then all his puppy, they are very nice, looking good puppy.
Got my camera?
Yeah,
Okay.
but full of memory. I can't take any more a video.
Well, here, take it up to the house. Yeah, go. There.